I'm Mridul Seth. I'm the CTO and founder of this organization, Infilux AppSec. Before entering the cybersecurity market, we had one goal and one goal only, being the first line of defense for every second of the day. See, there are many challenges that a startup might face, the actual current market might face in related to cybersecurity. But what we do, what we specially do is our services, be it VAPT, be it IS audit, be it any one of them which we provide. The services are unmatched, and that's my guarantee. Like 100% sure of what I am giving and to the best of my capabilities and my team here itself. Indeed, this event is huge. Like this is my first event. I have to admit it. There has been some challenges, but the amount of networking we gain here is very, very good. I just don't know what to say, but I really like being here, and it was a pleasure coming to CyberSec India Expo.